Welcome to one and all. In this section, we are going to discuss the volume of cuboid and cube. The volume of the cuboid is equal to length into width into height, that is L into B into H. And for the cube, the volume of cube is equal to A cube, where A is the side of the cube. Let's discuss with exercise 13.5 question. A matchbox measures 4 cm by 2.5 cm by 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? Here what is given? L, B, H. All the measurements are it's given. So L is equal to 4 cm, B is equal to 2.5 cm and H is equal to 1.5 cm. And what is you have to calculate in this problem? Volume of packet. Okay, volume of packet you have to calculate. But how many boxes are there in one packet? It is 12. So volume of packet is equal to 12 into volume of one box. Okay, volume of one box. Since box it is in the shape of a cuboid, so the final answer will be 12 into volume of box. What is that? L into B into H. So 12 into L into B into H. Okay, so that is 12 into, you just substitute the values of L, B and H. So 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, and if you multiply you will get 180. Since all the measurements are in centimeter, so its unit is volume, centimeter cube. Okay. A cuboid water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Okay. A cuboidal water tank 6 meter long. So what is L? L is equal to 6 meter. And what is its breadth? Breadth is equal to 5 meter. And H is equal to 4.5 meter. What is you have to calculate? How many liters of water can it hold? Okay, first you find out the volume of the cuboidal water tank. So volume of tank. What is the formula? Since it is a cuboid, what is the volume of tank? It is equal to LBH. That meaning 6 into 5 into 4.5. So you will get 135 meter cube. But you have to calculate how many liters of water. So we know that 1 meter cube meaning 1 meter cube, what is that? It's 1000 liter. Therefore 135 meter cube is equal to 135 into 1000 liter. That meaning this much liter. 1,35,000 liter. Okay. Cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid? It is given that the cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long. That meaning L is equal to 10 meter and width is 8 meter. So B is equal to 8 meter. Okay. Here H is not given, but instead the volume it is given. Volume of the cuboidal vessel it is given. What is volume? Volume is equal to 380 meter cube. So we have to calculate the value of H. But we know the volume of the cuboidal vessel. What is the formula? LBH. So LBH is equal to 380. You just substitute the values of L and B. You will get 10 into 8 into H is equal to 380. So H is equal to, what is that? 380 divided by 10 into 8. What is that? 10 into 8, it is 80. 0, 0 cancel. 38 by 8, you will get 4.75. And what is the unit? Unit is meter. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Here you have to calculate the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. So what is the shape of the pit? It is given that it is in the form of a cuboid. Okay, and you have to find out the cost. For this, first you should find out what is the volume of the cuboidal pit. We know what is the formula. V is equal to LBH, and it is given that L is equal to 8, B is equal to 6 and H is equal to 3. So you will get 144 meter cube. So this is the volume of the cuboidal pit. But you have to calculate the cost. Cost, what is that? It is given that for 1 meter cube the cost is rupees 30. So 144 meter cube, what is the cost? 144 into 30. Okay, 144 into 30, you will get 4,320 rupees. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Here the capacity of the cuboidal tank, it is given 50,000 liters. Capacity meaning what is that? It's a volume. Volume of the cuboidal tank. The shape is cuboid. So volume of the cuboidal tank is equal to, what is that? Volume of cuboid tank, it is given that 50,000 liter. 50,000 liter, how to convert into meter? Meter cube. Just divide with 1,000. 50,000 divided by 1,000. So that is equal to 50 meter cube. Okay. So the volume of the cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube. And it is given that the length and the depth of this tank is 2.5 meter and 10 meter. And what is, you have to calculate the breadth of the tank. So LBH, that is equal to 50 meter cube. Volume, it is given that 50 meter cube. So LBH is equal to 50. Okay, L it is given 2.5 into breadth it is not given, but height it is given. Height is equal to 10 is equal to 50. Now what is 2.5 into 10? 2.5 into 10, you will get 25. So breadth is equal to 50 by 25. 50 by 25. So what is the answer? 50 by 25, it is equal to 2 meter. So what is the breadth of this cuboidal tank? It is equal to 2 meter. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Here, what is the population of the village? It is given that a village having a population of 4,000 and it is given that 150 liters of water it is needed for one person. So what is the requirement of water per head? That means for one person 150 liter of water it is needed. So for the 4,000 population, what is the requirement of water? Total requirement of water, how to calculate? 4,000 into 150. If you multiply, you will get 6 lakh liter. And we know how to convert liter into meter cube. How to convert liter into meter cube? You just divide with 1,000. So, what is that? 600 meter cube liters of water is needed for a population of 4,000. And there is a tank. And what is the shape of the tank? Tank shape, it is given that in the shape of a cuboid. Now what is the question? How many days will the water of this tank last? So how to calculate? First you calculate the capacity of the tank and we know the requirement of water for the population. So you just divide it. Okay. So the number of days. Number of days, how to calculate? Number of days is equal to capacity of the tank. Capacity of tank divided by requirement. How to calculate the capacity of the tank? The same formula you have to apply. L into B into H. So 20 into 15 into 6. What is that? 20 into 15 into 6. So you will get 1800 divided by, what is the requirement of water? Requirement, it is given that 600. So 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So number of days, what is that? For 3 days. Okay. For the, how many days will the water of this tank last? For 3 days. Okay. A go down measures 60 meter by 25 meter by 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the go down. Here one go down is there, and we know the shape of the go down. What is that? A cuboid. And you have to calculate the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5, that can be stored in the go down. So what is that? So number of wooden crate, how to calculate? First you calculate the capacity of the go down divided by what is the volume of one wooden crates. Okay, so what is the formula? The same formula you have to apply for both. So what is the capacity of the go down? Is equal to L into B into H. So 40 into 25 into 15 divided by 1.5. 1.5 we can write 15 by 10. Okay. Then 1.25 we can write 125 by 100. And 0.5 we can write as 5 by 10. Okay. So the calculation will be very easy. 15 and 15 we can cancel. 25 and 125 we can cancel. It's 5. And here 5 and this is 8 and 5 it is 2. So what is the answer? 8 into 2, 16. Then put 3 more, 0. So 16,000 wooden crates can be stored in the go down. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. Here, a solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. That means there is a big cube, and what is the side? It is given that 12 cm, and we cut this cube into a small cube. Number of 8, what is that? 8 cubes of equal volume. So what is that? Their volumes will be equal. That meaning volume of the big cube is equal to the volume of 8 cubes. Okay, that meaning 12, what is the volume of the cube? 12 cube is equal to, how many cubes are, how many small cubes are there? 8. 8 into a cube. Because the side of the small cube, it is not given. So let us take the side of the small cube is equal to 8. And what is our question? Then what will be the side of the new cube? Okay. Now what is 12 cube? 12 cube meaning 12 into 12 into 12. So what is that? It is 1728 is equal to 8a cube. So a cube is equal to, what is that? A cube is equal to 1728 divided by 8. So what is the answer? 216. A cube is equal to 260. Okay, but what is our question? Find the side of the new cube. Side meaning A. A equal to, what is that? Cube root of 260. How to calculate cube root of 216? You just factorize 216. So first factor is 2. So 1, 0, 8. Again 2, 54. Again 2, 27. Next we can factorize with 3, 9, 3. Cube root meaning from each 3 take 1. Okay, so here it is 2, and from these 3 next 3. So what is a cube root of 206? Cube root of 206, 216 is equal to 3 into 2. What is that? 6. So what is the side of the new cube? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Also you have to calculate what is the ratio between their surface areas. Okay, so next you have to calculate the ratio of the surface areas. What is the surface area? First surface area 6a square. 6a square is the formula, no? 6a square meaning 6 into a. A what is that? 12 into 12 divided by next 6 into the new side what is that? 6. So 6 into 6. Okay. 6 cancel. 12 and 6 we can cancel with the 2. Cancel. So what is the ratio? You will get 4 by 1. Therefore, the ratio equal to, what is the ratio? 4:1. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? A river 3 meter deep. So what is H? H is equal to 3 meter. And 40 meter wide, that meaning breadth is equal to 40 meter. Okay, and this river is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. That meaning in 1 hour 2 km. 2 km meaning what is that? 2 km meaning 2 into 1000 meter. 2 into 1000 meter meaning 2000 meter. That meaning in 1 hour it flows 2000 meter. But what is the question? How much water will fall into the sea in 1 minute? Okay, 1 hour meaning 60 minutes. That meaning in 60 minutes 2000 meter. In 60 minutes 2000 meter. So in 1 minute how many? What is that? In 1 minute. Therefore in 1 minute 2000 divided by 60. What is that? 2000 divided by 60. What is the answer? Hundred by 3. Okay. Now what is you have to find out how much water will fall into the sea in a minute. So volume you have to calculate. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to LBH. Okay. Just substitute the formula. Substitute the value. L what is that? 100 by 3. Breadth 40. Height 3. So 3 we can cancel. 4000 meter cube. That is the answer.